amoCRM Honest Review. Watch before using. If you're considering amoCRM, here's what you need to know before making a decision. amoCRM is a customer relationship management tool designed specifically for small to medium-sized businesses that rely heavily on messaging to convert leads into customers. It stands out for its unique approach to sales through chat integrations with platforms like WhatsApp, Instagram, Telegram, Facebook Messenger, and even email. The core idea behind amoCRM is to centralize your communication channels so your sales team never misses a lead and you can engage prospects faster. One of its most impressive features is the automation capability. You can set up workflows that trigger follow-ups, nurture sequences, and task assignments without manual intervention. For businesses that want to streamline their sales process, this is a game changer. The platform also offers visual pipelines to track your deals in various stages, which makes it easy to see exactly where your leads are in the funnel and take action accordingly. Additionally, amoCRM provides a feature called Digital Pipeline, which automatically moves leads through the stages based on their engagement, saving you time and ensuring no one slips through the cracks. Another standout feature is the built-in AI assistant. It helps with lead qualification, follow-ups, and even suggests next steps based on customer interactions. It's a smart tool, but keep in mind that it's not perfect and might require fine-tuning to suit your specific business needs. Plus, amoCRM integrates with a ton of third-party apps like Slack, Zapier, Google Calendar, and payment gateways, making it flexible for businesses with different tech stacks. However, amoCRM isn't for everyone. If your business doesn't rely heavily on messaging apps for sales, this might not be the best fit. Its pricing can also add up quickly. While the starting plans are affordable, you'll need to pay extra for add-ons like advanced analytics, chatbot builders, and deeper integrations. The learning curve can also be a bit steep, especially if you've never used a CRM before. It's user-friendly once you're familiar with it, but expect a bit of setup time. In conclusion, amoCRM is best for businesses that prioritize communication via messaging apps and want to automate their sales process. It's a robust, customizable tool that can significantly improve your lead management. But if you're not in a messaging-heavy industry or want a simpler CRM, you might want to look elsewhere.